Hello, my name is Maunik Thadani from CNM School SP Robotics Maker Lab Andheri. I have completed my foundation course. My project's name is the submarine. The components I have used are IR sensor, potentiometer, two-way switch, motor, LDR, LED and buzzer. The motor works with a two-way switch controlled by a potentiometer. The buzzer works by a IR sensor. The lights work by a LDR. In my project, I have used the IR sensor and the buzzer as an alert system. So any iceberg comes by, it will alert the people inside the submarine. Also, I have used the light sensor with the LEDs. So when it becomes darkness inside the submarine, the LEDs will glow. Also, I've used the fan and the motor. So with the help of the switch, it starts to rotate and it goes forward. The speed is controlled by the potentiometer. It starts and gets off with the two-way switch. This is the circuit diagram. This is the connection for two-way switch, potentiometer and motor. This is the connection for buzzer and IR sensor. This is the connection for LED and light sensor. Thank you for watching the video.